Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video guys we will explain if you have a BMW, any BMW guys, and your air conditioner doesn't work, we're going to explain what could be that. Okay, we'll probably share 5-6 reasons and we'll show you how to diagnose the system. We will guys have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why? Because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. So let's go ahead, start on the process now and explain why your AC may not be working. So, first guys, we're going to open the hood with the car not running. Okay, we have a BMW E46. This is the 3 Series guys from year 1998 to year 2006. And on every BMW guys, for the air conditioner you have 2 ports. Okay, 2 charging ports. One is a high pressure, one is low pressure. You usually use only the low pressure port to charge the system. If you use the professional tool, you're going to connect the high pressure just to read the pressure out of it. Okay, so that's what it looks like. That's where you charge the system. The first reason guys why your AC may not be working, it's low on Freon, on gas. Now, if that Freon is not enough pressure in the system, the AC compressor will not kick in. But if there is enough pressure for the compressor to engage, it may be just a weak AC. You will get some cool air inside, but it won't be freezing cold. This is guys reason number 1, low on Freon or not having any Freon in the system. Reason number 2 guys, bad AC clutch, AC compressor clutch. This is a very common. Okay, and we'll show you how to test it. Stay with us towards the end. I'm going to show you how to test that with the computer. So clutch, clutch AC compressor clutch is number 2. What about number 3 guys? You have a pressure switch on the system. That pressure switch, what it does, it tells the system how much pressure you have, so it tells the compressor to engage. If that switch is broken, okay, the system will not work again. Number 4 guys, always check the fuses and the relays. Okay, we have guys for this one, for this BMW, inside the glove box we have 1 fuse for the AC compressor and we have a relay, but the relay on the BMWs are usually hidden. So in our case we had to take, okay, let me show you quick, we had to take the whole glove box out of that car. Okay, let me show you. So we can get to the relays of the vehicle right there. Otherwise it's impossible and you don't even know that there is relays there. So that's where that blue relay there, okay, that's the one for the AC compressor. So always check those as well. Now I'm going to connect the scanner quick guys, okay, and show you what we have here. Now in some cases guys, I've seen people, okay, will start putting so much money in their AC system without knowing what's happening. We had a car that had a perfectly fine running AC compressor and the system was running great, but okay, let me connect the OBD port. What was happening guys, the blend door is the one in the dash that switches between hot and cold, was broken. Okay, the motor was broken. And as a result guys, it was set on hot all the time. And you think your AC doesn't work, but actually it was working. However, it didn't switch from hot to cold air and it was just blowing hot all the time. And as a result guys, you think you have a bad AC. So we have that Maxicom here guys. This is amazing scanner. It works on any car, not just BMW. Okay, let me show you the cars that it supports. Quite a few. And I'm going to go to VIN, Auto Detect, and by clicking Auto Detect guys, what it's going to do now actually, it's going to decode the VIN number and it will tell us exactly which vehicle we have, so we don't have to manually check. Okay, another thing guys, it could be that switch on the BMWs. Many BMWs have the heat and cold switch, okay, like this one here. And if that one is broken again, okay, it's going to blow hot air, or it might be stuck on cold, you never know, depending on what procedure it was stuck. Okay, so we have right here BMW European. It's going to connect now. We just need to give it a few seconds. We confirm this is the VIN number. This is the car 2005 E46 with M54 engine. And now it's establishing the communication. You can even check your voltage, car voltage right there, if the alternator is charging and all that stuff. Now it says turn the engine off and wait about 10 seconds. So that's what we'll be doing next. We need to follow the instructions to make sure that everything will work correctly. Okay, and restart the car. Or turn the ignition on. I'll recommend just to turn the ignition on, but we'll be diagnosing the AC system, so the car has to be running. We'll select control unit, and AC is under body usually. Right there. Now we go to heating and AC system. And here we need to select live data. Now you can see how many things we can check here with that little computer, guys. Check it out, it will be listed in the description of the video below. AC control system is what we want to check first. Okay, and now it gives us the same temperature set point, but here we have it in Fahrenheit, but practically it's the same. If I go up, it will go up there as well, down. Check it out. This tells us the interior temperature of the vehicle. Evaporator temperature, guys, 3.8 degrees Celsius. That's almost freezing there, guys. So it means that our AC is working. Hot exchange temperature 16, outside temperature outside of the car 25. Now this is the pressure switch right there, 18.8 bars. Okay, if that switch is bad, your AC will not work, guys. Now something else, AC button. That could be a reason why your AC may not work. I'm going to turn it off, and watch now, from active it's going to change to inactive. Okay, and I'll turn the AC back on, so the button works, guys. So with that computer you can check quite a few things. Now I can go to air distribution right here, guys, and we can see all the buttons to check all the different things. Ventilation flap, foot well, and defrosting flap. All those, guys, you can test your flaps and see if the motors work and all that stuff. So that's something definitely, guys, that you need to check. Also, the blower control voltage. This is for the blower fan. You can check if everything's good, but usually you will experience weak fan if that is not if that's not working. So you can see how many things, guys, you can see with that computer. It's amazing. Okay, I definitely recommend to have one of those. But that's what you do, guys. Check the level of Freon. Okay, you need to check the AC clutch compressor, but in our case you can see through the live data, okay, if it's turning on or not. Okay, so that's another thing. And number 3, guys, okay, pressure switch right here. Our pressure switch is great. It's 13.8 now, so that's perfect. And also, guys, you have to check, okay, the blend door motor if it's working, and your button. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.